video, we have a question and remainder and factor theorem. Now, this question is very interesting. It says, given the polynomial function px, p of x is 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 4x plus 3, show that x minus 3 is a factor of px, p of x. So how do we show that x minus 3 is a factor? Now, it will be a factor if when we substitute this into this equation, we get the answer 0. Okay, that's all. So you say you set this equal to 0. So you say x minus 3 equal to 0. So you get x equal to 3. Then you sub into p of x. So that becomes p of 3. So 3 cubed minus 3 squared minus 3 plus 3. Let's evaluate. We get 27 times 2, which is 54. This is 9 times 5, negative 45. And minus 12 plus 3. So p of 3 is, yeah, exact 3. So here we get 9. Then we have minus 12 plus 3. Well, that is 12. So that becomes 12 minus 12, which will be equal to what? 0. Like I said. Now, you can see that p of 3 is equal to what? 0. Therefore, all right, x minus 3 is a factor of px. We are done. So once you show that the remainder that you get is 0, then you've already shown that is a factor. All right. Then B, it says hence factorize. Since x minus 3 is a factor, we can use the long division or synthetic division, whichever you're comfortable with. Let me use a synthetic division. Okay. Since we set x equal to 3, I'm going to put it here. Now do this. So I'll put the coefficients of the equation there. It's 2, negative 5. It's 2, negative 5. Then negative 4. Then 3. All right. Then I'll do this. I'll do that. So I'll put 0 there. Then I'll drop this. That's the first thing that you do. So then multiply 2 and 3 here, you get 6. Add them. So we'll be adding. Add this. You get it. You get what? You get oh 1 times you get 3. Add here you get negative 1. Negative 1 times 3 you get negative 3. 3 minus 3 you get 0. This is the remainder we are getting here. Now, the moment you divide, you get to reduce the power by 1, meaning our new power, it will be 2x squared. This becomes plus 1x, and that becomes minus 1, and say equal to 0. Meaning, after dividing everything, we end up getting 2x squared plus x minus 1 equal to 0. Or you can just leave it like that. Further, I need to factorize this. You know the sum and the product, right? So the sum, the middle number there, it's 1. The product, you get the number in front, multiply by the constant, negative 2. Look for factors. Two numbers, we add, we get negative. So we get 1. We multiply, we get negative 2. What are those? Two numbers you add. Two numbers you add, you get 1. You multiply. So 2 and negative 1. You add, it's 1. You multiply, it's negative 2. So we get 2x squared, then plus 2x, minus x minus 1. Just write everything there in terms of the factors. So we get 2x is common. You have x plus 1. Negative is common. Take it out. And 1 is common. So you have x plus 1. So you have 2x minus 1. And you have got x plus 1 equal to 0. You can leave it like that if you want. So we factorize the quadratic. So we get the factor that we divided at first, x minus 3. Therefore, the factorized form will be equal to, so the first factor was x minus 3, the second was 2x minus 1, and the third was x plus 1. you factorized it. That's all. Done. So this is 3 marks, I guess so. Yeah, well, just 3, and maybe this one also maybe 3, just like that. Maybe 4, because of that division, then factorize further. So basically that's all. All right. So for online tutorials, if you are in first year, I do offer online tutorials at a very affordable price. This is my number. Inbox me or call me. I add you to the groups, then you make payments.